guys, here's a video that is a Rubik's Cube video. You see, green, green, blue, I don't dare to let go of it, blue, and red, I don't dare, oh no. Oh, my nose is a big helper, and red. So, I'll tell you that it moves in all directions, only 90 degrees. But, you know, only 90 degrees, only 90 degrees. Can you scramble it? I saw a bunch of comments while folding it. It's like, can you make an algorithm, I think, to scramble it? Maybe in this video I'm going to try it out. Maybe no. Maybe yes. No. The answer is no, sadly. Oh no, I let go. You cannot make an algorithm to do anything. Only 90 degrees. See, the algorithm is R. That's all. Here's how to scramble it. And it's very easy to solve it. Move. Yay. And the cube is solved. A 2x2. Yeah. This is really cool. But then when you, wait, actually, you can even flip it inside out. ... Okay, I'm not going to. Too scary. Lol. And then you put it back. And then here is, putting it back is kind of hard. Keep it up. Okay. Blue, blue, green, green, red, and red. And then you can scramble it. It's scrambled. Bye.